welcome back to the Cerebral Overload YouTube channel. Today's review is the Honeywell 4-in-1 air conditioner. This unit will heat, cool, blow fan, and also dehumidify. So right there you can see what makes this a good value is the fact that it does 4 things in one. So you don't have to go out and buy 4 separate items just to do what this one does. Let's go over a little bit here. See, it's front's gloss black, sides are silver, and the back is flat black. The front, it's all the gloss black. You get the Honeywell logo. Here you have your screen and your touch controls. I'll show you. You have your power. Power, you can change the function. Fan, heating, cool, fan, heat, air conditioning, and dehumidifier. Up and down to set your temperature for when you have the heat and air conditioner going. And this to set the time. Has a timer function so you can set it to run for a certain amount of time instead of to a temperature. And the fan here, you can adjust the fan speed. Low, medium, and high. So you got the blue black lit screen with the black on the front. Top, you can adjust for how far you want it to blow, direction, whether you want it to blow flat or up across. You can also adjust to the left or the right with that there. You can hear this is the noise running with the fan. It's not overly loud with the fan. It's a little louder with the fan or with the air conditioner or the heater running or the dehumidifier. A little louder. Honeywell says it's about 55 decibels, so you do have to talk a little louder, or if you have it sitting in the room and you're watching TV, you will need to talk up some. You could tell by that conversation right there how loud it is compared to the conversation. So the top, there's nothing else on top. There's just this to adjust the direction of the air. I'll show you the sides here. You have your exhaust vent here, your exhaust tube. It comes with 3 panels like this. 2 are this length and one's shorter like this. One panel has a cutout opening for the exhaust port where it goes out the window. This, we couldn't get it to correctly fit in the window and stay there and seal nicely. So what I ended up doing was I just got a piece of scrap wood we had laying around. Used the other piece of this as the template to cut out for where the vent goes in there. And just did that because it was a nice square piece. So it fits nicely with a couple little pieces of foam insulation. This is a removable exhaust vent. Twist, it comes out. Little clips that hook there. You have removable screens that you can clean to help keep the air clean. One on there. You can see they do need cleaned a little bit. We do have cats, as you saw walk through the earlier picture, so there's cat hair. Screen here and a screen here. They're all washable in the sink. Just use the little hose or just run it under the faucet. Clean it all off. Let it air dry for a little bit. You can put it back. Exhaust port, inlet port. You'll see there's 2 drains here. This is for the dehumidifier. It does have a plug on it. So you can use this to just hold the water in there till it's full and then you can drain it. Or you can, as we did, we just have a hose into a bucket. This way it holds more, you don't have to empty it as often. It's just more of a convenient thing for us. If you have this somewhere where you have a floor drain, you could actually just run the hose into the floor drain if it's right there and you don't have to worry about emptying it out. And here it's a drain for the air conditioner. Now for the most part, all your moisture is going to go out the vent tube outside. If you live in a place with really high humidity though, some of it may end up here in the drain, in the pan in here. So you'll just need to get a pan or something, slide it right underneath here. You can open it, drain what little bits in there, depending on your humidity, like I said. And then you keep going. Other side, there's nothing on this side either. It's just like this side. First, on the back, you can see there's troubleshooting guide about the drain, FCC and UL information. This will take out, let me find the exact number here for you, how much it can take out, how much humidity it can take out of the air in a day. This can remove 95 pints of water out of the air every 24 hours. Like I said, it does have the timer on it. You can do anywhere up to 24-hour timer. Cooling is 1400 BTU, so it'll cool a decent sized room, 400 to 700 square feet. Cools it nicely. The room we use it in is about 300 square feet, I believe. And it does cool this room nicely. Heater is 1200 BTU also. We used it in the same room for heat. It is a nice supplemental heat in the room. If you're not in the rest of the house, you can heat the one room you're in to save on your heating bill for the rest of the house. It runs off 120 volt power wall outlet. Weighs about 100 pounds. When it's delivered, the box is easy. You just cut the straps when it comes, set it up right. You can pull the box right off the top. So if you have somebody bring it into your house, it's actually very easy to set up once you get it into your house. You don't have to worry about picking it up and moving it. You can just pull the top off, slide a couple pieces of foam and everything on the bottom that's there holding it into the box, and you're good to go. Comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and 5 years on all the parts that are sealed inside, such as the compressor, evaporator, the condenser, and the factory connected condenser tubing. You can pick these up right now on Amazon. They're going for $535 with free shipping on Amazon. Then if you look at the Amazon page, if you decide you want to go look at this, it does show you that it is 55 decibels for when it's running. So it's not quiet, but it's not so loud that you can't do anything else in the room. You're still able to carry on the conversation. Your TV, turn it up a couple notches, you're still able to clearly hear the TV. As we said, this is the Honeywell. The model number is MM14CHCS. It's the 4-in-1 HVAC system for heating, air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier. $535 plus free shipping on Amazon. If you go and put everything together, if you go buy yourself a fan, window air conditioner, a portable dehumidifier, and you add all those prices together, you're very near, if not over, the price of this, depending on what model of the products you buy. And what's nice with this is you don't have to worry about every winter, once it's time to put the window air conditioner away, you don't have to worry about taking it out, storing it somewhere, and when spring gets here, break out your dehumidifier if you live in a humid area to try and dehumidify the room. And it's got a fan for when it's a nice temperature out but you want some air moving. This does it all. It saves you the time and hassle of having to move everything around every year. So this is the Honeywell 4-in-1. Pick it up on Amazon.com. Questions, comments, leave them at the bottom of the article, at the bottom of this YouTube page. Thanks for checking out Cerebral Overload YouTube channel. Keep checking back for more reviews. Hopefully a future video podcast. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe if you want to make sure you're updated every time you get we post a new video.